And a judge told him to count the trees in the parking lot where there were only cars. 0. The same number of stars you could see on a night in a city. And a judge told him the parking lot would be filled with trees, oaks and spruces and pines and willow trees and grass and maybe horses before he smells the city on a Sunday afternoon. And another word for this story is azalea, the purple bouquet his mother buried her face against. Her skin another purplish bruise. He pled not guilty, and in the courtroom he washed his hands against the air as if to say fuck everything. Imagine, he had no hair on his face that afternoon and he'd never held a razor except inside his mouth. The best weapon a man can ask for unless you lost the first fight he see inside a prison. A baseball bat turned the razor under the wild man's tongue into a kind of prayer, made the man wash the air with his hands too, and then everyone knew the washing was a kind of suicide. And everyone knew there would never be trees in that parking lot, that the chubby kid who a whole neighborhood called Fats would lose every memory he's had, and the wildfire of his mind folded itself around a rusted bat.